Every decision counts, every dollar counts.
Drew's gonna be here in a week. It might as well be a day.
It's the last week of this competition. I just need to push myself and this house to the limit and try to raise the value as much as possible.
Whoever buys this house, it's gonna be a family.
It's gonna be hard to even finish this house in the time we have left, but we've gotta do it. I want this so bad.
I want him to walk up to this house and be like, am I at the right house? How did you do this? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, world's best designers.
Hi, Drew. Hi.
I know it's been a long 4 weeks, but it looks like you still have work left to do.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, a lot of work left to do.
I've got one more surprise left to help you make it to the finish line.
Okay.
It should be arriving right about now.
All right, I better like this, Drew. You know how I feel about surprises.
I love Drew. I hate surprises. He always poses something that usually requires a lot of work to be helpful, so I'm a little nervous about this.
Hello.
What the heck? What are you doing here?
I'm your helper. Are you being serious?
Yes.
That's funny.
I'm here to help, whatever it takes. Let's win.
Awesome.
Hey, Jasmine. Thought you might need a hand.
Hi. What are you doing here?
I heard you need an extra set of hands for this.
You talked to Drew?
Yeah.
Drew sent my husband. How cool is this? Just to even see him be able to give him a hug is awesome.
Hello. What? Hello. Hi. Drew said you might need some help. Oh my God. Hi. Who better to send than my 4th grade best friend, Elizabeth.
This is like a complete surprise.
Yeah. That's awesome. She lives in Burlington, Vermont. We don't get to see each other that often. And when we do, it's like we picked up right where we left off.
Hey! Cavalry's here! What are you doing here?
The surprise is Mom.
I brought treats.
You're far from home.
I am.
She's my best friend and partner in crime for as long as I've been doing this.
What did you bring me? Face masks, hair masks, and bubbly rosé.
Oh, geez.
And she has rosé, so I am a happy camper.
She's actually going to be handy. And I get to boss you around.
Yes!
It's great to have my sister out here. Any more people to help me accessorize and like do the little things? Because let me tell you, the little things make a big difference.
Gone, gone, gone. This is our new front door here, behind you. You just walked in the house, and now it's that much bigger. I don't think the other designers are adding square footage quite as significantly as I am.
I'm definitely feeling the pressure of seeing things go in and out of the other girls' houses and questioning the decisions I've made. Adding square footage, that's what appraisers look at. So we turned the den into a 4th bedroom, and this is where visitors would stay, and they have access to their own full bathroom.
Adding bedrooms and bathrooms is the best way to add value to an appraisal. So I'm gonna take this 3-bed, 2.5 bath and turn it into a 4-bed, 3.5 bath house. So if I can close off the den, reconfigure these walls, and make this a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, it's a whole nother bedroom, it's a whole nother bathroom, it's a big deal.
Time's running out. Now it's all about the exterior. And so it's time to just kill it. First impressions are everything. I want the first reaction of my appraiser to be like, wow, she put time and money into this and a lot of thought.
There's like 200 small plants in here. Go, go, go! Yeah, look at that bad boy.
Timber.
The clock is ticking. I'm nervous that, maybe I didn't make the right choices. Maybe the other girls made better choices. I just don't know. I'm feeling really anxious. This looks so good. Drew's gonna love this.
Time's up. Now it's up to Drew and the appraiser gods to decide who did the best job.
It's time. The judging is starting.
Welcome to Team Jasmine.
Thank you.
I'd like to introduce Ken and Earl, a trusted advisor and my personal real estate agent. Yuri Park, an expert in Los Angeles real estate. And local agent Natalie Lazone, one of Santa Clarita's foremost realtors.
I think we need to sneak inside and have a look.
All right, good luck.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wood cladding throughout all the living space.
Awesome.
She added a bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
That's really, really smart. So wait, that means this house now has probably 3.5 baths.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that was a really smart decision.
More usable square footage. It's great.
Okay, living space. What's your first thought?
I love it. It's open. I love the fireplace, the light fixtures.
And I love that your eyes are drawn up to the ceiling with all that wood planking.
I would have done more with the built-ins. I would have done a little bit more for storage because this is kind of underutilized space. That kitchen has style.
Yeah, it does. This is really meant for a family. Maximize the space in the island. And I love the way that the dining room has a banquette on the back.
I think it's beautiful. I love this kitchen. It's very functional. It really does feel like California living, actually.
I want to see what she's done in the master bedroom. Okay, so there's that faux fireplace look just for a little bit of detail, but it's not really a lot of money spent in here. How's the bathroom look?
Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness.
Ah, clawfoot. There's definitely a contemporary feel with this tile backsplash and the light fixtures.
Which is really great for, selling a house.
Oh. So from the laundry side, it's shelving with a hidden door. Woodwork and built-ins can add a ton of value, and I think she's done a great job with that. Oh, so she has some wainscoting in that room there. I think what she did was very smart. She spent the money where it counts with that extra bedroom and an extra bathroom.
Very smart.
Whoa, I love the pool.
It definitely adds value to the home.
Yeah, well, this is great. I mean, I love the function in this house, and you can see the added value.
Yeah, absolutely.
How are you?
Good, are you excited?
This is like the moment we've all been waiting for.
Curb appeal's great.
It was really about texture and plush green and make it feel mature.
You're just taking this house to the next level. Do you mind if we sneak
I
by and
can't
have a
wait.
look?
I'm like, I want to go with you.
All right. Wow factor with the door.
Oh my gosh, I love the bronze.
Added value with built-ins. Right. Look at that. That's great.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, my buyers would absolutely love having this space.
Bringing in that brass and bringing in that moody, dark tone that she has for all these built-ins, that's style. That's killer style.
It opens up. I love the French door look that's opening up.
Yeah,
That's
it's a more traditional pane, and then it's still that collapsible window wall that I absolutely love.
These appliances are crazy. They're beautiful.
And then she put in some show-stopping features like this vent hood.
And I have to say, I think almost every one of my clients will love the espresso machine built in.
Really great job in here. Why don't we look at the master suite? All right, that's a nice feature wall. And not expensive either. I mean, just the wood detail there.
Yeah.
Whereas it looks like she spent a little more money in the bathroom.
Gotcha. Wow.
I love the marble flooring in the bathroom. It really gives it a very nice luxury look.
Yeah, this is beautiful all the way up this back wall here.
I don't know if you saw the toilet when we walked by there, but that is thousands and thousands of dollars. Like, is that where you spend the money, is on the toilet? I'm not sure that you're gonna get your money back.
Now, this is California living.
I love the privacy that this fireplace has created.
And feel like it's a private dining room,
So we have some artificial turf. And I love how Allison also did the built-ins around here for the planters. You can see inside, she really tried to go big with some of the custom features.
From an overall perspective for the house, I think it's a little sophisticated for the neighborhood, and I think that you're not gonna get back what you put in.
Yeah.
And she could have spent a little bit of that money 100% on the floors, and then that would have been a great value add for the value of the property.
I'm super excited for Drew to show up. I think we've created a really, really awesome product, so I'm excited for him to see all of it.
So much work in so little time.
My business is designing for appraised value, so I felt really comfortable. I just tried to make really smart decisions, repurpose things that were good, and then things that really needed some love. That's where I put the money.
Right from the get-go, the curb appeal is stunning. I see a lot of upgrades with the artificial turf and the window boxes, the trees and the lights.
You know, curb appeal is super important. So that's kind of what I try to do and just make it feel really homey, comfortable.
It does. I mean, I love it. Do you mind if we sneak inside and have a look?
Go ahead, take a
All right,
look.
thanks. Nice and bright and inviting.
Man, these floors are great.
The moment you walk into this house has more of a beautiful family vibe.
I love this over here, the built-ins. It makes it look more expensive, but it's nice. It's not too intimidating.
Now this kitchen,
She ran the cabinetry up to the ceiling. It's a nice feeling. I mean, it adds more space, but it also looks custom. Looks great.
and actually she does have the cabinets that came with the house.
Right.
The difference here is that she's worked with what she had, and then she added a couple of features. So she's working with what she got to stretch the budget, which is really good. It's a beautiful space. Want to look at the master bedroom first?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, that's a beautiful light fixture too. It has that sort of a simple elegance to it. I mean, not a lot of money was spent in here. This is mainly staging. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that's a beautiful feature tub.
Absolutely.
The glass shower is substantial, it's nice.
Oh, there's even a digital control there.
Smart homes, that's a big way to add value to a house too.
Definitely.
Okay, so the same collapsing
Oh.
wall over here, the window wall, which is nice.
Very nice.
That fireplace is great.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
my favorite feature.
Gives off a lot of heat.
And then over here, I mean, the pergola is kind of a nice little spot. The swing is cute.
Smart.
She has the artificial turf in here, which is great. She really put in some features and spread it out throughout the entire house so that everything felt awesome, fresh, and cozy for a family.
She had a very clear vision.
How you doing?
Hello.
It looks like everything is magazine ready.
Oh, thank you.
The white looks good.
Thank you. I mean, honestly, this was such a fun project to do.
But I just really wanted to go warm, minimalist. Honestly, my thing is your home should be better than your vacation. So keep that in mind. I came to create a beautiful home for a lucky family, and that's what we did.
Wow, she's opened it right up.
Gosh.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
She really opened it.
All right, living room. Oh, wow, look at those doors. So that's what I have in my house as well, the collapsible window wall.
Those.
The lamps are amazing.
The walls are a blank canvas, and then she's making things pop like that kitchen. This stone wall, I mean, that's her big feature spanned in here.
That's an eye catcher.
Yeah, I agree. She's got great appliances. These are all upgraded, and they're really beautiful, and it matches, but it's a little bit small.
The one thing that we haven't talked about yet are the floors.
Oh, yeah.
I love this. I mean, I love the style, but the competition is who has added the most value, so which house is going to appraise the highest.
Right.
There's some things that are aesthetically pleasing, but it's maybe not going to add more value. My fear is that in this neighborhood, that families are not going to gravitate towards this sort of a style. Oh, wow.
Oh, my gosh.
Yes. This bathroom definitely looks like a showstopper.
You almost got to wrap your head around this a little bit because she's actually bumped out the wall a little bit, and she's actually also stolen that extra space from the garage for the closet. That's actually a great piece of space.
This is the wow factor. I mean,
well, let's look at the backyard.
Okay.
The collapsible window wall is adding great value.
I feel like I'm wine tasting in Tuscany.
this could be a house in a different neighborhood for a single couple or something that might just pop.
Absolutely.
And get a lot more.
You can tell that Leanne is one of the best. She's an amazing designer. And the fact that she spent more of her money on the kitchen and the master bathroom instead of the other bedrooms and bathroom or outside here, that's the one thing that's maybe going to affect the appraisal value. In just 4 weeks, you guys have taken these houses from blank canvases to masterpieces. I have to tell you, I'm blown away by your creativity, and every house looks completely different. It was really impressive to see how you guys used your skills as designers to add so much value and stretch budgets in these houses. The highest appraised value for the winning home is $1,020,000.
What? Okay. Oh, God.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
No.
The winner of Rock the Block is...
Oh. Oh, God, the street name.
Oh, the street name.
Oh, God, that's how you do it.
We're turning up your win by providing 100,000 meals to kids living with hunger through our partner, No Kid Hungry.
I seriously can't believe this. It's surreal, it's exciting. This was a really long 4 weeks. I didn't let myself think I was gonna win because I didn't want to be let down. I worked my butt off, and I cannot believe that I just won Rock the Block.